Hello. Today I am going to be recording my video for my biology news presentation, and I have chosen to do mine on how cannabis helps fight resistant bacteria. Should cannabis play a role in antibiotics? So a little bit of background information. With the development of bacteria, the effects of antibiotics are decreasing. Due to the overuse of antibiotics, there's a major incline in antibiotic resistance. So basically, the same antibiotics are overproduced, and they're just constantly prescribed for all basic bacteria infections and illnesses that people get. So people are becoming immune to these antibiotics. So these scientists decided to try and figure out some way to make it where less people would become immune to the antibiotics. So their hypothesis was by combining cannabis compounds with antibiotics, the antibiotic effect could be enhanced. They use this by mixing CBD with the antibiotic bacitracin to help fight against the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. That's a bacteria that causes general community diseases. The independent variable in this experiment was the cannabis added to the antibiotics. The dependent variable was the amount of bacteria that grew after the antibiotics mixed with the CBD was taken. And the control were the groups of people who were given regular antibiotics. Some of the results after this experiment was that the bacteria could no longer normally divide, the expression of certain key genes in the bacteria was lowered, the bacteria membrane became unstable, and when using CBD and antibiotics, a more powerful effect was noted than when using antibiotics alone. They came to the conclusion that when antibiotics are mixed with the CBD compound that enhances the effect of the antibiotic, less of the antibiotic is needed and less people develop immunities to the antibiotic. So basically, they just found that if you mixed it with the CBD, you didn't need as much because the CBD helped, or it enhanced the antibiotic, so you just needed less of it, which led to less developments of immunity because people weren't taking as much of the antibiotic as they normally would be. The main researchers were these two ladies, I think, Jane and Claes. The work took place at the University of Southern Denmark. This was published in Science Daily in the Journal of Scientific Reports. Thank you so much.